Hey girl, hey. So it's Renee, aka the Purple Tree Lady, coming to you tonight with a unboxing. And no, this is not an actual Funko toy. This is actually a Loungefly bag. And I'm so excited because Loungefly totally matches my fly, okay? So I'm not gonna waste any time. I'm gonna jump directly into this unboxing. But before I do, and before I move any further, have you subscribed? You should go ahead and hit the subscribe button now, sis. That way you won't forget, and go ahead and hit the like button because, as you know, we're on an algorithm and more people need to see my videos. Hello, subscribe, like, share, and I appreciate you. Thank you to all of my subscribers who have returned to watch my videos. I appreciate you. And welcome to anyone that is new. I hope that you are having a good morning, good evening, good afternoon, good night, wherever it is that you are, my friend. Okay? So I'm digging into this box as I'm speaking to you because, like I said, I'm going to jump into the haul. I'm going to be a little bit careful as I open this top so I can make sure I don't damage anything. And let's get into this Loungefly bag. Okay, sis, I'm a little quiet tonight. You know, I'm not as hyped, but I might get hyped when I open this bag. Because it's almost midnight where I am here in Texas and my family is totally asleep. It's just me up unboxing stuff. Okay, so let's see what we have here. Oh, it feels a little bit heavy. It feels a little heavy. I'm gonna go ahead and move the box. Go ahead and move that box. And let's see. They really wrapped this up well with that bubble wrap. All right, we have two pieces that fell out. One and two. That piece is stuck to tape, okay? And remove that bubble wrap out the way. I'll play with that later. Who doesn't pop the bubble wrap when they get it? Or is it just me? Maybe it's just me, whatever. Okay, but I'll be popping it tonight. Well, tomorrow. I won't wake up the hubby and the kids and the dogs. I'll keep it quiet. So I'm just digging into this bag and yapping off at the mouth as I do so for y'all. Because your girl is not good at editing, so I gotta run the video all the way through. Maybe one day I'll get better. But for now, okay, so oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I'm speechless, and that's not very often. Oh my goodness. Look at how gorgeous. That's so gorgeous. I can't take all of this off. Oh my goodness. I want to unwrap it, but how cute. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. I'm so excited about this one. It's shaped as a bow. And I did get this from loungefly.com. But I've also seen it on Hot Topic. It is so cute. I want to say it's about $70. But I think if it's ever your first time shopping on Loungefly, they will give you a coupon. So you could get it at a discounted rate if you're interested in it. Oh my gosh. It has Minnie on the side. And of course, I'll play with this bow just a little bit more. And then y'all, look at Minnie powdering her nose, honey. How? Sitting on the polka dot. Okay? On the moon, on top of the world. Powdering her nose. With her legs. Girl, Minnie better get a life. Like I'm trying to get one. Hello? I am in love with this. With the black handles. I want to open this for y'all. But you know, like I said, oh, that little elbow grease. That's what it looks like on top. Oh, there is a chain strap in here for crossbody. So there's a strap. I won't use the crossbody. I'm going to carry it just like this. That's how I'm going to carry it. And the inside is even cuter. Uh-huh. Yes. Okay. Look at the inside. Okay, Minnie. I am in love. There's a pocket here, and I think that's the only pocket inside of there. But there's Minnie Mouse powdering her nose and dancing on polka dots all inside of the bag. Y'all. It is more than I expected. When I saw this bag, when it posted that it was available, I just thought it was just the bow that I saw, and I thought I want that bow bag. That's all I saw was the bow, and I thought that this would be so cute with some of my outfits that I put together. Right? That's all I thought about. But seeing that, it is beyond my expectations, and I am outdone and totally in love with this Minnie Mouse bag. Okay? Totally in love. I'm just opening the other item, which is a wallet that I bought to go with it. Also Loungefly. The wallet looks like it matches the inside of the bag. Oh, it's nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's that little cute bow with the polka dots. Gold hardware like the Minnie. On this one, Minnie is dancing. Oh my goodness. She's dancing like this inside of the bag. But oh my God. How stinking cute. Oh, this is dope. No, this is not just cute. This is totally dope. And Loungefly has outdone themselves. I love 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 card slots. And this Minnie inside of this wallet dancing and sitting on the world. The polka dot, which is what I call the world. How cute. Oh my God. Super dope, y'all. Super dope. I am so glad that I bought this. I'm so glad that I took a moment tonight to open this. I think I may have to wear this bag this weekend in some capacity and take a picture. I don't know, but I'm going to figure it out if it's not too cold, because we're in a winter storm right now. So it's not too cold. And I mean, I can't even compare to some other people's temperature here in Texas. We've been doing pretty good since earlier in the week, but I got to get this together. This is too cute. I have to wear this. So sis, if you like this bag, drop me a comment. Let me know how you feel about it. Go out there and check out Loungefly. They have some super cute, super dope Disney, Pixar, anything, you know, any cartoon that you can think of, TV show from, you know, your early childhood. They've made bags. They even have Hello Kitty. I've seen Hello Kitty race car bags. Excuse me. Go out there, check it out. If you're interested in this bag, go grab you one, girl, and let's get it. Because this, I got to give sis some snaps. Like, like my girl Shonda be doing on her channel. You know, I saw her do this. Let's snap for this bag and let's give it a couple of hand claps because sis is cute. I'm sorry. Sis is cute. She cute, honey. Anybody who got anything different to say, you lying. You're telling the untruth. Okay, I'm done, y'all. I'm done. Enjoy your night. Love and light to you all. I'm going to figure out what I'm wearing with this bag this weekend. Peace. Bye, girl.